When we define a function that uses the yield statement, it means that calling that function returns a reference for an object we can iterate using the for each loop. Iterating that object underneath means that each iteration, the code that is executed within the numbers function is executed till the next yield statement. So it can be, for instance, a function that once executed, it returns a reference for an object we later can iterate using for each, and each iteration, the code running underneath, is executed till the next yield, and whatever comes after the yield statement is the value that we get back from the iteration over the values that object represents. Actually, it is common to call such object a generator. A generator we can iterate using for each loop, and when iterating, we actually get each iteration we complete the next a value returned by yield. Once the iteration completes, and this is the new addition with PHP7, we can invoke the getReturn function and get back a value returned back from the generator we were using. That value can be, for instance, the result of some sort of calculation that took place when we iterated the values the generator object represents. So the new addition with PHP7 is the ability to call the getReturn function and on a generator object and get back a value returned back from it. The value must be returned by value. It can't be returned by reference. It is a limitation we have. So when executing this code sample, this is the output. These numbers are returned by the yield statement. The last output is coming from this line, from calling the getReturn function. It's the value 55.